What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm here in Schaumburg picking up my PCM for my LS motor. Let's check out this car riding past first. Which way is he going? Chopping. Y'all, let me go in here and see what's going on with this PCM. That was a nice ass Firebird with a Trans Am. I'm pretty sure they just got off the dyno getting tuned. There's a scat pack over there. Okay, I'm here at Speed Inc. picking up my PCM. Let's go in and see what's going on. Tune. This is the address and the hours. Put my mask on, guys. Okay, let's go in. What's up, man? How you doing?
How are you?
All right. Got Speed Ink material. How you doing? How you doing? Check it out. How's everything going today? Bad. Here, I'm fine, man. I'll be even more fine once I get that PCM.
Yeah.
So I can start my car up. I'm doing a YouTube channel, man. I want to see if somebody can explain what they actually did to the PCM.
Yeah, Tony definitely can.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. I seen you guys' channel too, man.
What?
I seen you guys' YouTube channel too.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Definitely.
Yeah, we're here at Speed Inc., man. I was I'm gonna do this video and put it on my page and, you know, let people know.
Yeah. Cool.
Come, you know, there's some people out in Rockford, I'm sure, that would like to know where to get their car tuned at.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
Yeah, because I was gonna have a guy do it. He kind of like backed out on me. And shit, y'all was only look an extra $25 to get it done professionally. Shit.
Perfect.
Why not come here?
Good, man.
What's up? What's up? I want one of those shirts too, man. Speed Ink shirts as well.
For sure. Someone helping you out?
You Tony?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm picking up the PCM.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
All right. That's Tony right there. He gonna explain exactly what he did to it.
Mosley?
Yep, that's it. All right, I got a YouTube channel, man. Can you explain exactly what you did to the PCM?
As far as the computer, just code delete for the modifications done to it. Obviously the off-road exhaust.
Yeah.
480 trans programming.
Okay.
Torque management removal.
Okay.
Since it's an unknown gear ratio right now, we left the shift point settings stock, but
Okay.
once you find that out or bring the vehicle into us, we'll go ahead and update that.
Okay.
So, minor changes for obviously the conversion vehicle itself. Just tweaking the program really.
Okay.
You know,
So it's not.
parameters. Nothing really. This is basic programming. So once you get the Nova up and running with the engine, we can have you come in, complete dyno testing.
Okay. Think I can get some footage of some of that?
I'll bring it back to the next
Okay. All right, he's gonna let me go in the back and get a little footage of a dyno test so I can show you guys. Let me give y'all another look, sneak peek of these cars, man. Look at this motor right here, man. This look like what is this, a LS? Yeah, it's a LS. What is it? Let's see. Let's see what's the displacement on this thing. Is it back here? That's a 6.2 right there. It's a LSA, 76,000 miles. So damn, there go some drive shafts. I need a drive shaft built.
Banks on the track.